my name is Pragati Premisherkar. I am learning in 7th class. My school name is ZP High School, Pankanergaon. I read this book. This book name is a Moral Stories. This book is in 15 stories, and this is a 13 number story. The story name is The Wish Cup. The one this story is in story. This book is in this story is in informations about Swarup and Nirmal. The one Swarup and Nirmal were friends. Swarup and Nirmal were best friends from smallest. But when they were small, then they were playing together. They were going into school together. They were doing everything with together. But when they became big, then they didn't meet together. Then they didn't meet together from a lot's time. So then they decided maybe at the one hand Swarup became a merchant, and at the one side Nirmal became a very lazy man. He was so lazy. So lazy. He was always doing. He was always he wasn't doing any work. He was so lazy. So for that he became a lazy man. And here at the one side Nirmal became those were best friends when they were small. Then Swarup was very study, but Nirmal was very lazy. He wasn't doing anything, but they were best friends. Because when Swarup wants Nirmal help, then Nirmal was helping to him, and when Nirmal wants Swarup help, then Swarup was helping to him. This they were doing this always. But Nirmal was so lazy. He was doing into every work laziness. Uh, when teacher give to them when teacher give to us if teacher give to also homework, but then Swarup was also complete. And so for that teacher was saying to us, Swarup is a so clever, best, topper and good boy in our class, and best student. But when teacher, if teacher give to homework to doing, but then Nirmal wasn't doing that. Nirmal was so lazy. Nirmal was so lazy. He wasn't. He was so lazy. He wasn't doing any work. He wasn't completing homework. So for that teacher, we are very shouting on him. But he didn't. But teacher a lot's time. All teachers a lot's time. All teachers said to him and punishment to him, but anyone didn't. A lot's time. All teachers. A lot's time. All teachers punishment Nirmal, and all teachers said to all teachers said to Nirmal's parents, his bad works and his laziness. But then Nirmal's parents shouted on him. But they shouted on him, and next when his parents were shouting on him, then he was listening. But when that was completing, then that Nirmal was starting laziness, and he wasn't doing anything. This was happening every day. And when they became big, then Swarup became a merchant in a village. He became merchant, and at the one side Nirmal became a lazy man. He wasn't success in his life, but Swarup understood his situation. Swarup was supporting to Nirmal every time. Swarup was saying, "You should study, you should work hard, and then you will get a result of it best." So for that, but Nirmal didn't attention, and when they became big, then one side. Thank